Hey guys, it's Lillian with Brooklyn, and in today's video we're going to be showing you guys how to make slime. So the ingredients you'll be needing are glue, some water with borax in it, and optional some like foaming stuff. This is fresh pear, and optional shaving foam, and then a container to mix all your ingredients with. Containers, and then a spoon, and just like we'll be right back. And made best friend slime. They're like really many slimes. Yeah. And yeah, so let's get started. Yeah. So first, just grab your glue and just pour some in. I'm only gonna make a little bit since I'm actually not gonna make a little bit. That's good. Okay, so we got our glue in. I only use that much. And then optionally, you guys can add in coloring. Are we gonna add in coloring? Yeah. Okay. So we have some colors. We have galaxy colors. I'm going to make mine. I'm gonna make mine purple. I think I'm gonna make mine a light teal. So then, well, optional. First, you want to add in your shaving cream or your stuff. I'm gonna add some of this. Wait, how did you make that like very puffy slime? That white one? Yeah. I added in a little bit. Like that? A little bit more. Guys, be quiet. That? Yeah. Okay. So then just like mix it up for like 30 seconds and we'll be right back once we're done. Okay guys, so this is mine's already starting to form slime already, and I didn't even add any. So now it's time to add in your coloring. So I'm using this teal. Make them purple. You can add, if you want a little bit of, if you want yours to be a very light color, add in just a little bit of your color. If you want a very dark color, add in a lot. Guys, I'm actually going to add in a little drop of every color to see what color. It's probably going to make gray. I don't care. So we will be right back once we're done. Guys, do not add too much paint or it'll like stick to your hands. Yeah. Well, it won't stick, but like paint will come off on your hands. And yeah. So guys, we're actually done mixing. This is my color. It's kind of like a grayish purplish. And this is my color. And now, I mean, like you can add glitter. I think I might add a little bit of glitter. Yeah, I'm gonna just add like a little tiny bit. We used basically all the glitter last night. Alright. Oh, it's empty. Oh, we used like every single one. Yeah. I only got that much glitter. I didn't even get a lot. So we finished stirring, and this is our glue. And now it's time to add in like your borax and water stuff. So first what you want to do is you want to put it in a cup and some borax in there. Or a bowl, it doesn't matter. Yeah, and you want it to make sure it dissolves, and you just want to take as much as you want. And put a little bit in at a time. Like add like a drop at a time. If you want yours to be like very soft. And like very stretchy and stuff like that. And then like mix for like not a long time, but like kind of like a good amount. Like probably like 3 seconds. So guys, now once it's like kind of like not sticking, well it's like in a clump, just like go around your like bowl and like try to grab like as much as the slime. Mine's not done yet, so we will be right back once we're ready to play with it. Well, mine's is ready. Yours is? Yeah, so it should be a little bit sticky though. So that's why you just have to keep on playing with it. But if it's like way too sticky, like put it back in the bowl and add borax, and we'll add in your activator. AKA this is hard. Like rock hard slime. It's because you like added too much borax at a time. You added like a teaspoon. Dang it, I'm gonna try adding some shaving cream. See if it'll work. Hopefully it will. Yeah, guys, just add like, even though it might take 5 minutes, just add a tiny bit of borax at a time. The reason why I took off my thing, like it separating right now is because I didn't want to get it on my...
Because you already got slime on it from yesterday.
Yeah, and...
Well,
my hand does hurt really bad.
It went down, it went down.
So, oh wow, now they can actually like see the stuff. Yeah. My slime is actually... Yeah, that's how you make slime. I don't know if you guys can see all this.
Hers is better than mine.
I thought mine would turn out really good, but mine's all crummy and stuff. I love that sound.
I know, right? I just don't like to say it to my mom and she'll be like, what?
Look at that. That's like... It's a fail for me. See, look, it just goes into a line.
And guys, if you guys don't have shaving cream and you want it to be fluffy and you have this also works as well. See, mine's fluffy too.
So I will be right back once.
And then just like put it in an airtight container, and then
call it a day.
Well, and
do you have a container for me?
Yeah, right there.
Oh.
I want to do the inside.
So I'm just gonna try playing with it in the container.
Oh wait, I'm actually gonna get all the stuff off of the screen since we might do another video.
Yeah, mine's messy. Like, look how hard this slime is. It's like not even stretchy.
Mine is. Okay guys, that's technically all for today's video.
I gotta put my hair up. Can we redo this video?
No. We're gonna post it.
No, we're not.
Yeah. Well, I am. So yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Comment down below if you want us to do more videos like this, or if you want to see Brooklyn in more of my videos. We just got slime in our hair.
Yeah. I got it out though. Now that is some good slime.
So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Oh my God,
Bye.